People on the internet thought I wasted money on this 18 blending pen. Not one, not two, 18. And honestly, I get why it looks like this. This video crosses 1 million views and a lot of people thought I bought this, and there were a lot of comments saying, why did she bought 18 blending pen? Are you fooling us? And a lot more. It does look like I bought this, but actually I run calligraphy workshop, I prepare kit for my student and I sell workbooks. And I don't add blending pen. I keep them aside and over the time they added up. This is what happens when you prepare multiple workshop kits. A blending pen is mainly used to soften color or to blend them, and honestly you don't need them to start your calligraphy journey. So now I hope you know the truth. I didn't go and buy 18 blending pen, actually 23 now. This is just behind the scene of how I prepare my kit. Sometimes things look different on camera. Now you know the real story. See you in the next video.
If you love this, follow me on Instagram at Visuals by Varsha for workshop and workbook connect on WhatsApp. Thank you.